Hi, and welcome to Technowin IT Infra Pvt Limited. Today, we're excited to give you a walkthrough of our machine planning process project, a powerful solution developed to streamline production efficiency and optimize resource allocation. Provides an overview of key metrics like production status, machine utilization, pending tasks, and alerts. Acts as the main control panel for monitoring operations. The page is part of the machine planning module and is accessible via the machine list section in the dashboard. Displays a comprehensive list of all defined work centers in a tabular format. Each entry includes action buttons for editing or deleting the respective work center, enabling efficient management and updates. Provides a detailed view of each machine, including its components and historical records. This section also outlines the machine's capacity, supporting better planning and utilization. Captures the machine's capabilities, including the type of operations it can perform, the estimated time required for each task, and the specific components that can be produced using the machine. Stores machine operations, specifying the types of operations that can be performed on each machine. Stores detailed routing information, including machine processing time, the associated work center, and the type of component to be manufactured. Stores detailed information, including the quantity of components to be produced, the specific machine assigned for each operation, the required processing time, and the current status of each routing step. Tracks maintenance schedules, logs past repairs, and alerts for upcoming service to minimize downtime.
For more details, give us a call, send us an email, or visit our office. All the information is displayed on screen. You can also scan the QR code to visit our website.